Sodium is a very soft metal that can be cut with the help of the knife. Here I am cutting with the help of the knife. When the sodium is added to water, that will give the sodium hydroxide and hydrogen. Here I will add a little amount of sodium in the water that will start reacting and gives the hydrogen. The heat evolved is sufficient for the hydrogen to catch the fire when the sodium or the potassium are kept in the water. That's why these metals, means sodium and the potassium, are not kept in the water. They are kept in the kerosene in avoid to contact the air and the water. Here we can clearly hear the sound of the sodium in the water with a hissing noise.